In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect HubSpot to Google Sheets. So first, why do this? Because it keeps your info in one flow. Your Google Sheets and HubSpot can match so you don't need to copy and paste. It saves time and keep things neat and simple. Open your web browser and go to the HubSpot website. Log into your account. If you already have or if you already logged in, that's perfect. You're ready for the next step. So on the HubSpot homepage, look up at the top bar, click the marketplace icon, tap on HubSpot Marketplace, and this takes you to the HubSpot's marketplace. It's the place for apps and integrations. Everything is in one spot, so it's easy to find on what you need. Now, use the search bar. Type Google Sheets. You'll see options like Google Sheet Connector, and you might see Google Sheets for Data Studio. So for us, click the Google Sheets app, the one with around 32K installs. Click Google Sheets to open the app page. So on the app page, click the Install App button. That starts the install. And then a window will pop up to connect your Google account. So choose the Google account that you want to use, then just follow the steps on the screen. So take your time. If you see any prompts, keep clicking through until you're done. So once it's finished, you're set, and then HubSpot is now connected to Google Sheets. So from here, info can move smoothly between both tools. No more manual updates, no more hunting for the latest data. It's simple and it works. That's the whole setup. And if you ever need help, you can check HubSpot's help resources. And of course, you can replay any part of this video and follow along at your own pace. So thank you so much for watching. So for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.